How's it going, guys? Alex here with Renewal by Andersen. Today we're going to be going over some of our window types and the different features available in each of them. We're going to start off with our double hung window. This is one of our most commonly sold products and one of my personal favorites. This is mainly because of the versatility of this specific window. You have the ability to unlock and open your sash from the bottom, which allows you to vent air out. But what you can also do is pull down the top here and get a cross breeze going from the top and the bottom while not fully opening or closing one of your windows. The second best feature on the double hung is the ability to clean the inside and outside of the window from inside your house. So if you're on a second story and you are tired of hiring people to clean your windows, you can put that behind you, because all you have to do with the double hung is click the locking mechanism in the opposite direction and pull towards you, and that panel is fully accessible from the inside of your house. Once you're done, you'll just do the same exact feature where you'll click it, push it back. Once you push it down, you hear an audio sound, which lets you know that it's re-engaged with the frame, and you can put it back exactly how it was. All right, now that we're here with the casement window, we're gonna be looking at the interior of this specific one. And the main reason for that is a cool feature with the screens. Unlike our double hung, where the screens are located on the exterior of the window, these ones are located inside. So it's really easy for you to just click these two metal tabs and pull your screen completely out. Once your screen is out, you have the ability to easily clean the glass on the inside and the outside of the frame. When we disengage our locking mechanism here, which is very rigid and sturdy, you can start cranking your window open. And once it's at the full tilt position, you actually will have full access from the inside panel and the outside panel, so that you can make sure that your windows look just as good as the day they were installed. All right, now over here at the awning window, it's very similar to a casement where it only opens from one pitched angle, but this one pitches from the top. The placement for these are really great over a kitchen sink, because that way you can open it even if it's raining in Oregon, and you can have fresh breeze coming through and not have any of that water getting inside your house. The screen operates the exact same as the casement window, where you have two metal tabs that allow you to just pull it right out, allowing you to easily be able to clean the inside of that glass. It has two locking mechanisms, one on each side, to make sure it's very secure, and has a very similar crank out method to the casement window we just went over. All right, now we're over here at our glider window. This is definitely one of my favorites. It operates very similarly to the double hung window, except for it goes left and right instead of up and down. We have some optional handholds that you can get on your installation, but they are optional. It does make opening and closing the window very easy. It was already easy before, but that is one finger easy to me. The other cool feature with this one is that if you don't want to open your other panel, you can just open this one. Or we can open both panels to create that cross breeze, just like our double hung window. This one comes in all of our FiberX colors, and you can even have a different exterior color than you can on the interior. All right, this is the last window we're going to be covering today, and that is our picture window. There's not much to talk about, as it is a solid panel that has no operating features. But just like all of our windows, you can have both on glass grills or in between glass, like on the slider that we just went over. This window does have our highest energy efficiency rating, so if you're really trying to lock in that energy efficiency of your house, this is the window to go with.